how cute this thing is. It's an old school computer looking and has 6 mechanical keyboard keys. And it also comes with a mic where you can do karaoke. You can control the device menu navigation and other functions on the Devon app. You can play instruments or create your own pixie art and make it animated. Surprisingly, the sound from the device is good and loud enough. Let's check it out.
Nobody's getting hot at a body shop, doing something